Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Smash Bros. Crusade on your Android device. This fantastic fan-made fighting game, featuring over 60 characters and more than 30 stages, offers a truly unique experience. We will cover the essential steps, from acquiring the game and an emulator to configuring your settings for optimal gameplay. Get ready to enjoy smashing action right in the palm of your hand. To begin, you will need to download the Super Smash Bros. Crusade game file, often found as a ROM or executable, from a reputable fan game website. Simultaneously, select an appropriate emulator for your Android device. For instance, a Nintendo DS emulator like Drawstick works well for DS versions, or a Windows emulator such as Exaggear can run the PC version. Ensure your chosen emulator is compatible with your Android operating system. Once your emulator is installed, launch the application and navigate to its file browser to locate and load your Super Smash Bros. Crusade game file. Spend a few minutes configuring the controls to your preference, perhaps mapping actions to on-screen buttons or a connected Bluetooth controller. Additionally, fine-tune graphics and audio settings within the emulator for the best possible visual and sound experience. With your game loaded and settings configured, you are ready to start playing Super Smash Bros. Crusade on your Android device. If you encounter any performance issues, try adjusting the emulator's frame skip or resolution settings. Many online communities offer valuable tips and tricks for optimizing gameplay and staying updated on the game. Enjoy countless hours of exciting, portable smashing action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.